So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to try to search for your phone settings. So tap on your phone settings. Now when you get to your phone settings, tap on apps and notifications. Tap on the See All apps. Now try to search for your X app. So when you can't find your X app, what you have to do is to tap on the search bar over here, then you type in X. After that, try to search for X over here. Then when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Now tap on notifications and tap on the show notifications. You have to make sure that it's on. So after turning it on, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still got on. So after doing this, go back and tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. As you can see, my phone is allowed. So you have to allow every permission. After allowing every permission, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So what you have to do is to tap on your Google Play Store and try to open it. So when you open your Google Play Store, try to search for Twitter or X. So when you type in Twitter, you're going to see this. When you type in X, you're going to see this. So now tap on your X. When you tap here, then tap on update over here to update your X app. So after tapping on update, you're going to see it's going to load from 0 to 100. Then after that, it's going to reinstall on your device successfully. After reinstalling, this place is going to be open. Don't tap on it. What you have to do is to tap on your power button to restart your device. So tap on your power button for some more, tap on restart or reboot and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video with your friends.